Hi. simpliRP has a practical and effective inquiry management system. In inquiry management, go to Enter Customer Inquiry. Select the date of inquiry, customer name. Customer ID will appear. Please enter the ship to ID. simpliRP has a unique feature of inquiry valid up to date. Considering the increasing raw material prices, an inquiry is earmarked for a viable date, so that there is no changing goalpost. Then please enter the source of inquiry. Referred by and remarks if any. Click Save. simpliRP will guide you to Items Entry page. Select the item code. simpliRP has another unique feature of marking the date by which quotation has to be sent, so that this date is registered in follow-up calendar and alerts. Enter the tentative price and quantity. Taxes are automatically calculated. Please click Save Item. Click Close and print this inquiry. That's it. Inquiry has been registered with all the data for future references. simpliRP has another unique feature. You can record all the follow-up and discussions with the customer against this inquiry. In the inquiry status, select Date and filter. Select the inquiry item. Enter date on which discussion or meeting happened. Enter the next meeting date or follow-up date. Select the person who attended the customer. Select the person who has to attend the customer next time. Select the current status. Please enter all the discussions happened. You can also enter the internal discussions here, or actions to be taken. simpliRP also has the special feature of capturing names of 3 competitors involved in this inquiry. This enables the management to tread carefully. Click Save. You can see this conversation is recorded against this inquiry. If you go to Reports, Follow-up Planners, in Inquiry Follow-up, you can see the inquiry is appearing twice, one for follow-up and another for quotation to be sent on. You can also click on the inquiry number, view the inquiry with all the discussions and status. This is the beauty of inquiry management in simpliRP. It has a practical inquiry management system for your sales department. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.